Thank you very much for this time given to me to tell you about. My name is Tinggi Tandipayuk, Class J Theology. Who does not know the Apostle Paul? He is one of the important figures in the Bible who was called by Jesus to proclaim the gospel to other nations. Paul was born in Tarsus, a prosperous city in the province of Cilicia. The Apostle Paul was a Pharisee Jew who also inherited Roman citizenship from his mother, Saul, or in his Roman name Paul, lived in the time of Jesus, but as far as we know, the two of them never met face to face. As a young man, he was a very fanatical Jew, a beloved disciple of the leading rabbi of Jerusalem. When Paul was growing up, he began to persecute followers of Jesus whom he considered blasphemers of God. Saul can perhaps be called the person most responsible for the death of the first martyr, Stephen, and for the persecution of the first Christians. In the scriptures, in the explained of one day Saul was on his way to the city of Damascus to arrest the followers of Christ. Suddenly, a very bright light enveloped him. He fell to the ground and became blind. He heard a voice saying, "Saul, Saul, why are you persecuting me?" Saul answered, "Who are you, Lord?" The voice answered, "I am Jesus, who you are persecuting." Saul was shocked and confused. A few moments later, he asked, "What do you want me to do?" Jesus asked him to continue his journey to Damascus, and he would be told what to do. It was then through the power of God that Saul received the gift of believing in Jesus. Weak and trembling, Saul stretched out his hand for help. His traveling companions led him into the city of Damascus. The bright light had blinded his eyes for a while. After blinding his eyes, he could actually see. The thought Jesus had come personally to him, met him, and invited him to respect. Saul became a disciple who loved Jesus very much. After he was baptized, all the talk about was helping others to know and love Jesus. You can read the story of the amazing adventures of the Apostle Paul in the book of Acts written by Saint Luke, beginning in the chapter 9. However, Saint Luke story ends when Paul arrives in Rome. He is under house arrest awaiting trial by Emperor Nero, a well-known Christian war. From the time of the early church, Tertullian relates that Paul was released after his first trial, but after that he was thrown back in prison. This time he was sentenced to death. He died around the 67 year. During the great persecution of Christians during the reign of Emperor Nero, Thank you.